to you, sir. Mabuhay. I'm Francis Oliver F. Celino. Let's talk about the four basic travel motivators. First is the physical motivators. We travel to relax and rejuvenate our bodies. This could involve a spa weekend, a beach vacation, or simple escaping to a quiet cabin in the woods for some peaceful solitude. Second is cultural motivators. It is when exploring new cultures broadens our perspectives and enriches our lives. A trip to a foreign country to experience its unique customs, cuisine, and history is a prime example. Third is the interpersonal motivators. We travel to strengthen relationships and creates lasting memories. A family vacation, a trip with close friends, or even a solo journey to meet like minded individuals all fall under this category. Lastly, is the status and prestige motivators. Sometimes we travel by a desire to elevate social standing or achieve personal goals. This might involve attending a high profile conference, staying in a luxury hotel, or visiting exclusive destinations. For me, it always comes down to these four things. First, it is the physical stuff, relaxing on a beach, hiking in the mountains, getting away from it all. It's about feeling good and recharging. Then, there's a cultural side, exploring new places, trying different foods, learning about other cultures. It's all about discovery and adventure. Next is the interpersonal part, traveling with friends and family, making new connection, sharing experiences. It's about the people you meet and the bonds you create. And finally, there's the status and prestige aspects. Sometimes a trip is about boosting your confidence or feeling fancy. My travel plan makes all four. My dream to go back to Baguio City is all about relaxing and exploring more of its places. A planned trip to Singapore with my family was all about the interpersonal connection and hoping a future business trip across countries will help my career. So those are my four main reasons for traveling. What about you?
Everything's everywhere.